Let's address the elephant in the room. Most homeowners are thinking about one thing when they start researching solar: price. And more specifically, why do quotes sometimes vary so much between companies? Here at Devon Renewables, we try to be as transparent as possible with pricing from the very beginning. In many cases, we can give you a clear price range using our online tools, and sometimes even pencil in a potential installation date fairly early in the process. That gives you clarity straight away, rather than waiting weeks for answers. Now, we'll be honest with you, we're not always the cheapest, but in reality, the cheapest quote isn't usually what you want when it comes to work on your home, is it? But a well-designed system, super high-quality installation, good communication throughout the process, and proper aftercare once everything's up and running. All of those things have a cost attached to them, and they're incredibly important for something that will be on your home for decades. Transparency creates clarity, and when our customers have clarity, it builds that trust. If you ever wanted to see how that works in practice, then take a look at our Google reviews and hear directly from homeowners who've already gone through the process with us. That's what we mean when we talk about the Devon Renewables difference. If you're exploring solar and want a clearer picture of what it could look like for your home, feel free to reach out to the team.